Now let's look at the iterative implementation of binary search. So let's add a new method, public int, binary search. Here we need two parameters, an array and a target value. Now here we need two pointers, left and right. Initially we set left to 0 and right to array.length -1. Now here we need a while loop. As long as left is less than or equal to right, that means we have a partition or a segment that has at least one element. Here we calculate the index of the middle item. So middle equals left plus right divided by 2. Now we check to see if the middle item equals the target value. So if array of middle equals target, we're going to return middle. Otherwise, we have to check to see if the target value is in the left or in the right partition. So if target is less than array of middle, that means it's in the left partition. So we should update our right pointer. We set it to middle -1. Otherwise, the target value is in the right partition. So we update the left pointer and we set it to middle +1. So if the target value exists in our array, at some point we're going to return it inside this while loop. Otherwise, if the while loop terminates, that means the target value does not exist in our array. So at the end, we should return -1. So this is the iterative implementation of binary search. Let's test our implementation. So in the main class, I'm going to replace binary search rec with the iterative implementation. So we're looking for 1, we should get 0. There you go. What if we search for 7? We get 4. Beautiful. What if we search for 70? We get -1. So our implementation is working. Next, we're going to look at ternary search.